I'm Alex, and I make money by making money move. Prop trading, they call it. Every day starts early. The market never sleeps, and neither do I. "5 a.m. Time to dive into the data, the news, the patterns. It's all there if you know how to read it." Global markets have been active overnight. Asia's up, Europe's nervous. It's going to be an interesting day. Coffee in hand, I start my pre-market routine. Charts, reports, news feeds, they're all pieces of the puzzle.
Breaking news. Economic reports just released show numbers better than expected.
8:30 a.m. Economic reports released. The numbers are better than expected. This could change everything. I adjust my strategy. In this game, adaptability is key. You're either quick or you're dead. 9:30 a.m. The bell rings. The trading floor comes alive. It's showtime. Every decision counts. Millions can be made or lost in seconds. This is where the real action happens. And that's just the first hour. Welcome to my world. The opening bell. That's when the real dance begins. Numbers flash, screens flicker. It's a symphony of chaos, and I'm the conductor. First trade of the day. A calculated risk based on the morning's analysis. Heart rate picks up as I hit execute. Green, we're in the money. But this is just the beginning. Hours pass in minutes. Lunch? What's that? Every trade is a story. Buy low, sell high, simple in theory, brutal in practice. Midday lull. Time to reassess, rebalance. The market's like a living thing, always changing, always challenging. Then it happens. A sudden shift, the market trembles. This is the moment that separates the pros from the amateurs. Breaking news. Major merger announced. The entire sector is in flux. In that split second, everything I've learned, everything I am, is put to the test. Decisions in microseconds. Buy, sell, hold. There's no time for doubt. I take a deep breath, trust my instincts, and make the call. The next few minutes feel like hours. The market swings wildly. The dust settles. I'm still standing, humbled but stronger. As the closing bell rings, I take a breath. Tomorrow we do it all again. This life isn't for everyone. It's stressful, it's intense, it's all-consuming. But for those of us who live for the thrill, who thrive under pressure, there's nothing else like it. To all the aspiring traders out there, learn, adapt, persevere. The market's waiting for you. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.